Hello everyone, today we are taking a look at 152 Wall Street, located in the community of Tanglewood. Right out here is a beautiful Trexed front porch with vinyl railing. This is a 2-bed, 2-bath manufactured home built in 2020. Straight ahead here is your very large screen room with your storage shed. Taking a step up here, let's go inside and check it out. Right inside the door here is your dining room area with your washer and dryer on your right hand side. This home does have a open floor plan, beautiful kitchen, very large living room. The home is right around 1,200 square feet. Right here to your right is your first bathroom. To your left here is your first bedroom. So this home is very open and spacious. Nice sized closet. Back here is your master bedroom. Large walk-in closet. Right over here is your second bath with a walk-in shower. So come on down, check this one out. This is 152 Wall Street, located in the community of Tanglewood in Port Orange, Florida. 55+ community.